Okay, now we're cooking on gas. Let's just pan out a bit. And there's Granny Babes paddling out to the waves. There he comes. It's all a bit quiet out there at the moment. And off to the left. There's Ian waving to the camera. He's paddling out nicely, just get over a wave. Okay. Set on the horizon. Has he seen it? Time will tell. Looks to be turning. He's turning a little bit. Hasn't decided yet. Look for the acceleration. Here he goes, coming towards us. Okay, places everybody. He's up. There he goes. Oh, ditched. Here comes Grant. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's up. He's off the back of the wave. Denied. Okay, we'll let them paddle back out a second.